Welcome back to the 1973 Datsun 240Z rebuild. Today is part 8 and we're stripping down the rear suspension, getting it ready to weld. So unlike the front suspension, the rear suspension has drum brakes, so we need to take the spacer off in order to actually take apart these drum brakes. Once the spacer was off, we could wiggle this actual drum off itself, which allowed us to actually take off the brake shoes, which you see us doing here. There was only a bit of tension on them, so we just wiggled them until they came off. Once these were off, we could move on to the back of the hub and undo the one nut that was holding the spindle in, and then move on to taking off the backing plate. Now the backing plate is off, it actually allows us to chop the suspension, which you see us do here, and so come back for part 9 where we'll actually be welding the new sleeves onto the hubs and getting the Datsun slammed and on the floor.